Want to give your Tesla a personal touch? The Tesla app lets you rename your car and choose a custom icon, making it easier to manage multiple vehicles and adding a bit of fun to your ownership experience. As of January 2026, this feature is fully integrated and easy to use. Open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. From the main screen, select the vehicle you want to rename. Then, tap the settings icon. It looks like a gear. This will take you to the Vehicle Settings menu, where you can make adjustments. First, access the Vehicle Settings menu in the Tesla app. You'll see a list of options like Preferences and Vehicle Editor. Look for an option labeled Vehicle or Vehicle Editor. This is where you'll find the renaming features. Tap this option to access the renaming feature. You'll then see fields to edit the car's name and select a new icon from the available library. Once you've entered your new name and selected an icon, tap the Save button. Your changes will sync instantly to your car's touchscreen and all other devices linked to your Tesla account. Make sure your car has a stable internet connection for syncing.